Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 4, exercise number 4.3. Okay, so this one is example. Okay, this one is example, not first or second question. As like this example, all three questions are same. Okay, first one, AB plus BC plus AC is equals to 11.5. That means ABC is 11.5. Okay, then B का मेजर कितना दिया हुआ है 70 एंड C इज इक्वल्स टू 60 डिग्री. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट we see here step by step of construction. First, draw segment PQ of length 11.3. Draw segment PQ of length 11.3. First we have to draw segment P and Q, that is 11.3. Okay, then draw a ray making an angle of 35 at point P. We have to draw a ray making an angle of 35 from P. Okay, why we getting this 35? Because they are mentioning here the B is 70. Okay, so half of 70, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 2 5s are 10. Okay, so half of 70, that is 35. So we have to get 35 degree from here, and this one is 60. Okay, this one is 60, so half of 60, that is 30. Okay, so we have to get 30 degree from the point of Q. Then draw making an angle of 35 at point P. We have to draw angle 35 at from point P. Okay, 35 degree. Then draw another ray making an angle of 30 at point Q. From point Q we have to draw 30 degree. Okay, we have to get 30 degree with the help of degree. With the help of D. Then name the point of intersect of two rays as A. Name the point of the intersection of the two ray as A. Okay, then name the point of the intersect of two rays as A. We have to name this point as A. Okay, draw the perpendicular bisector of segment AP and AQ. We have to draw perpendicular bisector. How we can draw this segment AP? Where is segment AP? AP is here. From this 2 point we have to draw this arc. Okay, and AQ. Where is AQ? AQ is here. From these 2 points we have to draw this one arcs. Okay, and we have to join this 2 arcs. Then name the point as B and C respectively where the perpendicular bisector intersect the line PQ. We have to put B and C here as perpendicular line intersect to PQ. Then from these 2 points draw segment AB and AC. Okay, we have to draw AB and AC from these 2 points. Which one? B and C we have to join from A, and this one also from A. So as according this we have drawn construction.